Hi guys, in this video I will be making a skateboard clock. Let's start by selecting some colors of the skateboards. Cut 15mm strips. Later on I realized that my strips are too short, so I started all over. Like I said before, it is very important to sand off the graphics and the varnish, otherwise the glue won't stick. Glue all the strips together. I'm doing it in 2 parts because it's a wide panel. Oh wow, it's so beautiful! Here I'm planing it down to the right thickness and to get rid of all the pencil marks. Take small passes. Sand the panel smooth. Now I will be making the frame. I'm cutting 2 grooves in it, one for the panel of the clock and one for the plexiglass. It's time to cut the skateboard panel square. Drill a hole for the clock mechanism to go through. Now it's time to cut the plexiglass square, but oh man, this thing stinks. Cut the miters on your miter saw. Time to use the router, or the Dremel. So yeah, I made a mistake. My frame was not wide enough, so I began all over again. This time I chamfered the edges on the router. Stamp the numbers onto the skateboard panel. Make sure to spray lacquer the skateboard panel and the insides of the frame. Now it's time to assemble the clock. There's not really a lot of footage of this because it was very stressy. Time to fill in some gaps and sand it all smooth on the outside. A few seconds later I realized I should use the vacuum. So I did, but it was already too late and now there's dust trapped inside the clock. So I learned my lesson with plexiglass and the clock. Finish with spray lacquer and your clock is ready.